Good day everyone, I am Eris Noceto from Section 5 and I will perform a cord dressing or cord care. Cord dressing is essential to prevent the infection forming from the umbilical cord and makes your baby healthy and happy. The cord stump of the baby will fall off 7 to 10 days after birth. And so then, you will clean it time to time and keep it dry to prevent infection. First, prepare materials and perform proper hand hygiene. I will clean the umbilical cord stump using a sterile cotton ball with antiseptic solution, starting from the base going outward in circular motion. I will make sure the cord area is dry before applying the sterile dressing. Finally, I will dispose of the used materials properly and perform hand hygiene. This concludes my return demo for cord dressing. Good day. I am Eris Noceto and I will perform the vitamin K injection via intramuscular injection. You will inject the vitamin K on the vastus lateralis. Vitamin K is essential for the newborn because vitamin K is needed for blood clotting. And vitamin K injection is essential to prevent for the babies to have a hemorrhagic diseases of the baby. First, I will prepare the vitamin K vial, syringe, alcohol swabs, and cotton balls. I will perform hand hygiene and wear gloves. I will draw the correct dose of vitamin K into the syringe. Next, I will identify the injection site, which is the vastus lateralis muscle of newborn's thigh. I will clean the site with an alcohol swab in circular motion. I will insert the needle at 90-degree angle and inject the medication slowly. After withdrawing the needle, I will apply gentle pressure with cotton and I will dispose the sharps properly and perform hand hygiene. This completes my vitamin K administration. Thank you. Good day, and I am Eris Noceto, and now I will perform creed prophylaxis to newborn. Creed prophylaxis is essential to newborn babies to prevent ophthalmia neonatorum. It is the blindness of the baby caused by some infection from her mother's vagina. First, I will perform hand hygiene and wear gloves. I will prepare the prescribed eye ointment. While holding the newborn gently, I will expose one eye by pulling down the lower eyelid. I will apply a thin ribbon of ointment along the conjunctival sac from inner canthus to the outer canthus. I will repeat the procedure for the other eye using the same technique. Finally, I will gently close the newborn eyelids to spread the ointment evenly. Good day, I am Eris Noceto and today I will perform the anthropometric measurement. It is important to assess the nutritional status, the development of the health of the baby, the height, weight, head circumference, chest circumference, and the abdominal circumference. First, I will prepare the weighing scale, measuring tape, and recording sheet. I will perform hand hygiene and ensure the scale is calibrated. I will weigh the newborn, making sure the baby is unclothed or in light clothing. then record the weight in kilograms. Next, I will measure the length by placing the newborn on a flat surface and extending the legs. I will measure it from the bottom of the heel to the back of the head. And the normal length of a newborn is 47 centimeters to 53 centimeters. Next, I will measure the head circumference by placing the tape measure above the eyebrows and around the occiput and record the measurement. The normal head measurement is 33 centimeters to 35 centimeters. Next, I will measure the chest circumference. I will measure it at the nipple line. And the normal anthropometric measurement of chest is 31 centimeters to 33 centimeters. Next, I will measure the abdominal circumference. It is measured at the level of umbilicus. And the normal measurement is 31 to 33 centimeters. Make sure to cover the cloth to the baby to avoid hypertension.